Bullish Doge cost expectation for 2023 is 10 cents to $14,293. Dogecoin cost could reach 50 cents soon. Bearish Doge cost expectation for 2023 is 4 cents. In this Dogecoin cost expectation 2023, we will examine the value examples of Doge by utilizing exact broker agreeable specialized examination markers and foresee the future development of the cryptographic money. What is Dogecoin? Dogecoin is a well-known image coin that was forked from Litecoin in December 2013. The coin was made by Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer from a viral image of the canine variety, Shiba Inu. Doge keeps on existing as a shared and open-source digital currency, not at all like Bitcoin. Dogecoin utilizes a proof-of-work agreement instrument that depends on the script calculation. In the above diagram, Dogecoin spread out a level channel example, even channel otherwise called the sideways pattern. As a general rule, the even channel is shaped during the cost solidification. In this example, the upper trend line, the line which associates the highs, and the lower trend line which associates the lows, run evenly equal and the cost activity is held inside it. A flat channel is in many cases viewed as one of the reasonable examples for timing the market as the trading focuses are in union. At the hour of investigation, the cost of Dogecoin was recorded at 8 cents. On the off chance that the example pattern proceeds, the cost of Doge could arrive at the opposition levels of 10 cents and 17 cents. In the event that the pattern switches, the cost of Doge might tumble to the help of 8 cents and 6 cents. Dogecoin backing and opposition levels. The graph given underneath explains the conceivable obstruction and backing levels of Dogecoin in 2023. From the above graph, we can dissect and distinguish the accompanying as the obstruction and backing levels of Dogecoin for 2023. According to the above examination, in the event that Dogecoin's bulls start to lead the pack, it could hit an advancement its obstruction level of 14 cents. On the other hand, assuming Dogecoin's bears overwhelm the pattern, the cost of Doge could plunge to 4 cents. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2023. RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The specialized examination pointers like relative volume, moving normal, and relative strength file of Dogecoin are displayed in the diagram beneath. The specialized examination pointer relative volume is utilized to quantify the exchanging volume of a resource connection to its new typical volumes. It is regularly determined by partitioning the ongoing day's exchanging volume by the normal volume over a predetermined period, like the beyond 20 or 50 exchanging days. The subsequent proportion is known as the relative volume, which can assist brokers with recognizing strange exchanging movement and changes market opinion. High relative volume readings recommend that there is expanded interest in the resource, which might show a potential pattern inversion or breakout. On the other hand, low relative volume readings might demonstrate an indifference or a union period. At the hour of examination, the RVOL of Dogecoin was underneath the end line, meaning frail members exchanging the latest thing. The following specialized pointer is the moving normal. This force pointer is utilized to streamline cost information and recognize patterns on the lookout. It helps in computing the typical cost of a resource over a particular period. Especially, the 50-day moving normal assesses the typical shutting cost of the resource throughout the course of recent day. At the point when the cost of a resource is over its 50 MA, it is viewed as in an upswing. Whenever laid beneath 50 MA, it is in a downtrend. Remarkably, in the above diagram, the Doge cost lies over 50 MAMA, demonstrating its upswing. Thus, it very well may be presumed that Doge is in a bullish state, albeit this is the present status. A pattern inversion could happen. Next up is the overall strength record. This examination marker assists brokers with deciding the strength and energy of a resource's cost development over a particular period. In this examination, the RSI is determined by contrasting the normal additions and misfortunes of the resource over the beyond 14 period. The subsequent worth is communicated as a number somewhere in the range of 0 and 100, with readings over 70 demonstrating an overbought state and readings under 30 showing an oversold state. Particularly, during examination, the RSI of Doge is at 55.54. This signifies that Doge is neither in overbought nor oversold state. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2023. ADX, RVI in the underneath outline. We examine the strength and unpredictability of Dogecoin utilizing the accompanying specialized examination pointers, normal directional record, and relative unpredictability file. To dissect the strength of the pattern force, let us observe the typical directional record. The ADX esteem is gotten from the two directional development pointers like plus DI. DIN is communicated between 0 to 100. As per the information on the above graph, the ADX of Doge lies in the scope of 35.51, bringing up major areas of strength for it. The above graph additionally shows another specialized marker, the general instability file. This is utilized to quantify the unpredictability of a resource's cost development over a particular period. Concerning the outlines information, The RVI of Doge lies under 50, demonstrating low instability. Examination of Doge with BTC. ETH. Let us presently analyze the value developments of Dogecoin with that of Bitcoin and Ethereum. From the above graph, we can decipher that the value activity of Doge is like BTC and ETH. That is, the point at which the cost of BTC and ETH increments or diminishes. The cost of Doge likewise increments or diminishes individually. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2024 to 2030 with the assistance of the previously mentioned specialized examination pointers and pattern designs. Let us foresee the cost of Dogecoin somewhere in the range of 2024 and 2030. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2024 on the off chance that bulls overwhelm the value energy in pattern designs. Dogecoin could effectively test and outperform its obstruction levels to hit $1 by 2024. Dogecoin Cost Expectation 2025. The huge redesigns in the Dogecoin environment could convince the passage of an expanded number of financial backers. This may ultimately help the Dogecoin cost to reach $3 by 2025. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2026. If Dogecoin effectively tests its significant opposition levels and keeps on moving potential gain, then, at that point, it would revitalize to hit $5. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2027. Dogecoin could support significant obstruction levels and keep on being perceived as a wise speculation choice. In the event that it stands so on the lookout, Doge would revitalize to hit $7. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2028. If Dogecoin holds a positive market feeling in the midst of the profoundly unstable crypto market by driving huge cost rally, Doge would hit $9 by 2028. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2029. Assuming that financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on Dogecoin, then the crypto would observe significant spikes. Subsequently, Doge could hit $11 by 2029. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2030. On the off chance that the pattern energy adjusts for Dogecoin, the Doge cost is supposed to energize to $13 by 2023. Moreover, Doge would hold a positive market opinion and be perceived as a drawn-out speculation with exceptionally productive return on initial capital investment. And if Dogecoin secures itself as a wise interest in 2023, this year would be good for the digital money. All in all, the bullish Dogecoin cost expectation for 2023 is 14 cents. Moderately, the negative Dogecoin cost expectation for 2023 is 4 cents. In the event that there is a positive rise in the market energy and financial backers' opinion, Dogecoin could hit 50 cents. With future overhauls and headways in the Dogecoin environment, Doge could outperform its ongoing all-time high of 73 cents in market's new ATH. 1. What is Dogecoin? Dogecoin is the trailblazer memecoin that hit the business sectors in late 2013. It was conceived out of a viral canine image. Dogecoin Network was a fork of Litecoin. 2. Where might you at any point purchase Dogecoin? Dealers can exchange Dogecoin on the accompanying digital money trades like Binance, Coinbase Trade, KuCoin, and Bitfinex.